Just started the screen recording and did the pre-flight. New battery in there, it's at 99%. We are going to take off and then set up a hyperlapse with the sunset. See how that looks.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Alright, so just updated the home point. Go up about 10 feet. Fly it out a little ways. Right about there, I would say. So now I'm going to go up to altitude. We'll go up 400 feet, just about.
Max altitude reached.
All right, let's turn her around a little bit so we get the sun where we want it. Right about there. Then I'm going to set up a hyperlapse. So we touch the video, we go to hyperlapse, and then we have to set up the intervals. So I'm going to set up a 5-second interval. And let's see, actually, I take that back. We can take, let's take one every 15 seconds. And the length is the length of the video. So that's 30 frames. Okay. And then we hit the start button. Well, current battery level may be insufficient. That is true. So the duration says, that looks like 3 hours, 7 minutes, 31 seconds. So that's not going to happen. So that says 25 minutes. This one's 37 minutes. Well, let's go with this one. 2 seconds, 30-second length, 25-minute video. Let's go ahead and start that. All right, so it started it. I'll restart the screen capture once we get closer to the end. Just turn on the recording, screen recording again, and I have my app open. It says it's poor flying conditions. Wind speed is 6 miles an hour, gust speed 13 miles an hour. And the sunset is at 5:11 p.m. Right now it's 5:10 p.m. So I should have this hyperlapse video right on for the sunset. It looks to me like the sun's going down at the edge of the horizon right now. I still have 11 minutes of video left. I'm at picture number 422 out of 750. And I might have timed this one just right today. Temperature outside is 46 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not exactly super warm. I have 54% battery left if you look on the upper part of the screen. So that says I have 18 minutes left of flight time and 10 minutes left in this video. Just to acquaint yourself with the screen, we'll start at the upper right side. You have 3 dots. That'll take you to your settings. Just to the left of that, it says 31. That means I have 31 satellites in view right now. Collision avoidance is on in all directions. I have 5 bars on the remote controller. So, I mean, the drone's directly above me. So I should have no problem with reception. 17 minutes left on this battery, 51% level on the battery. To the left of that, at the top of the screen, it's in flight, and I am in N mode, which is normal mode. And the little house on the far left, top left, is the home button. Below that shows me my exposure settings, and then the return to home, the H. At the lower left side, that's showing me the compass, so the drone is pretty much level, so that means there's not that much wind. If I swipe to the left, those are the sensors. Right now it's showing me the forward sensor. If I change direction of the drone, it would switch to that sensor, or I can manually click that. So there's the right sensor, the rear sensor, left sensor, and you can see the props turning. And if I hit the arrow, there's the down sensor. That's pretty cool. Swipe to the left of that is the map. Swipe to the left of that, you're back to compass. Just to the right of that on the lower screen, you see the altitude, 388 feet. It's flashing red because it's telling me that I'm right at the top of my altitude limits. The drone is moving 0 miles per hour. And I'm 51 feet away from the home, where the home point is set, and I'm moving 0 miles per hour towards that. Just to the right of that, it shows me on the current video, I have just under 8 minutes left of the video, and I'm at 516 out of 750 pictures. To the lower, just below that, you can't see that, but it's my timer of the screen video. It's at 4 minutes, 11 seconds. And I can move that. If I want to move it, I just put my finger on it, and you can see the little dot moving on the screen. I just moved it to the upper left side of the screen. And on the lower right side of the screen, you see the storage. I have room for over 9,000 pictures left. I'm recording in 4K, and I have it set to JPEG for pictures. And the EV value is set to 0. I'm in auto exposure right now. And then on the far right side of the screen, you can see the drone taking pictures for the hyperlapse. And that's pretty much the screen. So I'm going to shut this off, and then we'll come back to you when we get near the end. We now have 1 minute left in this hyperlapse video. You can see the headlights are on the cars. Battery's at 28%. 9 minutes left in the battery. Less than a minute of this video. We should be fine. Then I'm going to do a return to home.
Hyperlapse is ready to complete.
All right. Now it's building the hyperlapse video. 80%, 90, 100%.
Video created successfully.
Okay, it's done. So now what we're going to do is I want to get that back to video mode. There we go. So now we're on normal video mode. I have the screen video recorder going. I'm going to start the video, and then I'm going to do the return to home. And
Return to
there
home.
we go, return to home. Let's see if it lands because I don't have my hand on the pause button. Here it comes down. Mission complete.